Are you a skilled person seeking to build your client base here in Trinidad and Tobago? Let Skillfinder help you with that. Let's go to SkillfinderTT.com. Register and create an account. It's easiest to sign up with Google. We select Freelancer and we click continue. And we're going to log in. If it is you are not taken directly to the profile page where we can set up, you could also access the profile page from clicking settings here, and it will take you to this page where what we will do is upload a photo. We can resize it accordingly. Enter our name, our tagline or profession, a description, country, Trinidad, city, Port of Spain, my skills, I do graphic work, I just type it straight in, save and update, and we are finished. Our profile is now created and now visible to anyone looking to hire us. So that is all you do, and everyone looking to hire your skills can find you now. Thank you.